If you want to stay broke, keep scrolling because this video ain't for you. But if you are retired military, honorably discharged, or one of those federal workers that just got fired because of the stupid ass administration and all that stuff that they doing, keep listening. Because to be honest, the same government that lets you go, they still need the work to be done. Just not by employees, but by people like me, government contractors, or federal concierges. That's just what I call myself. So then the question becomes, why not become a federal concierge? Let the government start asking you for help instead of you chasing them. There are some requirements, but don't worry, I'm gonna go through them so that you can know what you need to do. The government doesn't work with people, they work with businesses. So the first thing you need to do is start a business. Now, before you go saying, I don't know how to start a business, I've always worked a 9 to 5, I don't know what to do, I got you. Starting a business is not hard. You can start an LLC or go the cheapest way, start a sole proprietorship. Okay, if you don't know what a sole proprietorship, go look it up. It's right there. I got you. Now, once you have that business, the next thing you need to do is register that business in SAM.gov. This is where the government is going to start asking for our help. SAM.gov is a website the government posts the things that they need done on and that we fulfill. Now, you might be saying, look, I got a business, I'm just not registered in SAM.gov. Or, I don't have any. Guess what? I got you. So for those of you who don't have a business and not registered in SAM.gov, I want you to comment, level up. Level up. Comment, I'm going to send you my free ebook on how to go about getting your business and registering you on SAM.gov. Now, if you have a business, but you just not registered in SAM.gov, don't worry about it, I got you. Go to the link in my bio and click on register me now. That link will send you to a video on how to register in SAM.gov. It's right on YouTube, completely free of charge, and you can get yourself registered today. Now, if you have both, you have a business and you're registered in SAM.gov, you're in luck. You have the opportunity to attend my exclusive Watch Us Submit Dallas workshop, where I will be walking you through the 5 steps it takes to submit a federal proposal. Now, for those of you who are like, well, I've never done it before, then that's why this workshop is perfect for you, because I walk you through each of the 5 steps, hand by hand, side by side, whatever you want to say it. We walk through the 5 steps, and guess what? By the end of the workshop, you will have submitted your very first proposal that you could even win, just like her.
First contract ever.
So again, if you're done being dismissed and disrespected, comment the word proposal below and go get your ticket to the Watch Us Submit Dallas workshop and come in and let's go through the process to submit your very first proposal that you could win. I'll see you at the workshop.